Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG1136SA in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana, and the lenses are brown. And these glasses are a square shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved and a gold trimming around its lens. On its temple, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold, and the temples are also Havana. This is the inside of the frame. And the Gucci logo is on both sides of the temples. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and the Gucci logo in gold on the inside of the case, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.